students, welcome to you all. Students, earlier I have explained the chemical reaction and its characteristics. Now today I am going to discuss on topic chemical equation. So let's discuss what is chemical equation. Students, chemical equation, it is the simply representation of the chemical reaction in their symbols and formula. Means it is the method where we represent the chemical reaction in symbols and formula. That is a chemical equation. Chemical equation, students, can be in term of the word equation and it can be in term of the symbol and formula. Students, in term of word equation, it means when we write the chemical reaction in words. Suppose if I said the reaction between the carbon and oxygen. So in word equation, what we write, carbon plus oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide. Right, students? And it is a word equation. And when we write in their symbols, it will be carbon plus oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide. Right. So these are the representation of chemical equation in word and in symbols. Now chemical equation, students, it can be balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation means that those equations where the number of atoms of given elements of reactants is equal to the number of atoms of elements in products. That means left hand side number of atoms should be equal to the number of atoms present in right hand side. So this is a balanced chemical equation where the number of atoms in reactant should be equal to the number of atom in products. That is balanced chemical equation. Let's see the one example, students. Just wait. One example it is, suppose if I take one example, Mg plus H2SO4, it will form MgSO4 plus hydrogen. Here you people observe, student, magnesium is 1 in left hand side, in right hand side magnesium is 1, hydrogen is 2, hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 1, sulfur is 1, oxygen is 4, oxygen is 4. So this is a balanced chemical equation. Fine. Now unbalanced chemical equation, obviously unbalanced means where the number of atoms present in left hand side, it is not equal to the number of atoms present in right hand side. That means the reactant atoms, it is not equal to the products atom. Fine. For example, students, if I take H2 plus O2, it will form H2O. Here you observe, students, the hydrogen is here 2, here is 2, but oxygen in left hand side it is 2, but in right hand side it is 1. So it is known as the unbalanced chemical equation. Students, unbalanced chemical equation, it is also known as skeletal equation. Fine. Now let's see the another part that is balancing of the chemical equation. Balancing of the chemical equation. What is the importance of balancing of the chemical equation? Students, it is important to balance the chemical equation because it satisfies the law of conservation of mass, which states the total mass of the reactant should be equal to the total mass of the product. That means the total number of atoms should be equal to the total number of atoms present in product. Fine. So it is important to balance the chemical equation to follow the law of conservation of mass. Now what are the steps we do in balancing of a chemical equation? So students, follow these steps. Steps are following here. Steps 1 is write the word equation. Second, write the skeletal chemical equation. Third, encloses the formula in box. Fourth, list the number of atoms of different elements on reactants and products. Fifth, select the biggest formula. Sixth, balance the other element. 7. check the correctness of balance equation. Fine. So these are the steps which we have to follow. Let's see the one example. Students, just note down fast. Take write fast, students. The question is that write a chemical equation. Are you getting? Write the chemical equation for given chemical reaction when steam is passed over heated iron and form magnetic iron oxide and hydrogen. Written, students? Again I repeat that question. Write a chemical equation for the given reaction when steam is passed over a heated iron and it form magnetic iron oxide and hydrogen. So now how we balance the equation? Whatever I have given the step, you follow it and you will be able to balance the equation. See, student, what is the first step? Write the word equation. Write the word equation means, that means you have to write in word. In word it is given, students. I am having a less space, so see carefully. Look here, students. That is word equation, which is I am saying steam reacted with the iron. So we can write iron plus steam. It form magnetic iron oxide plus hydrogen. Magnetic iron oxide sorry, plus hydrogen. Is it clear? You have written in word which is iron plus steam. It form magnetic iron oxide plus hydrogen. Now students, second step, what is? Write the skeletal chemical equation. Skeletal chemical equation, student, that means unbalanced chemical equation. Unbalanced chemical equation is also known as skeletal chemical equation. So let's see the second. Write the skeletal chemical equation. So iron we represent by second step. Iron we represent by, listen here students, Fe plus steam H2O. Fine. Then it will be form magnetic iron oxide. The formula is Fe3O4 plus hydrogen, and hydrogen symbol is S2. Get any, students? Now the third is encloses the formula in a box. So you have to make the box here. That is the third step. Is it clear, students? Now next one, list the number of atoms of different elements on reactants and product. So students, I am writing here. What you will do, you will write here element, number of atoms in left hand side, and number of atoms in right hand side. Fine. Now what is the element? What are the elements which I have used in chemical reaction? That is chemical equation also, students. That is Fe, H and O. Fine. Left hand side number of atoms Fe is 1 and right hand side it is 3. Left hand side hydrogen is, students, 2 and right hand side hydrogen is 2. Now oxygen 1 left hand side and right hand side 4. So you have written that 4 step list the number of atoms of different elements on reactants and products. So these are the elements and number of atoms in left hand side and right hand side. Is it clear? Fe1, Fe3, fine. Now fifth one, select the biggest formula. Which one is the biggest formula, students? that is Fe3O4, which is a iron oxide, right? Magnetic iron oxide. Now, see, here you people know कि here Fe is 3, but the maximum number of atom it is present in oxygen. So firstly we balance the oxygen. One thing is very important, students, we multiply the atoms. We do not add the atoms, right? We multiply. So here here in right hand side 4 atoms are there and left hand side 1 atom is there. So what we have to do? We have to multiply by 4. 1:4. Where we have multiplied? In left hand side. So 4 we will write here. Fine, students. Now oxygen is balanced. Here oxygen is 4 and here again in right hand side oxygen is 4. Now see the next one, balance the other elements. Now oxygen is balanced, students. Let's see the other elements are balanced or not. Iron here 1, that is Fe. Fe1 is here and here Fe3. So what we have to do? We have to multiply by 3. So here we have written 3. Now Fe is 3. Here also Fe is 3. Now oxygen is 4. Here left hand side oxygen is 4. Right hand side also oxygen is 4. Now next let's come on hydrogen. Here hydrogen is 4. S2 means 4 to the 8. 8 hydrogen is there. Fine. And here hydrogen is H2. Only 2 hydrogen is there. So what we have to do? Again we have to write the 4 here. Now check the correctness of balance equation. Now again you check the balance equation. Again you have to write this, students. Element left hand side, right hand side. Right? Element FeHO. Now Fe left hand side, it is, students, 3. Right hand side also 3. Hydrogen left hand side 4 S2, that is 8. And here hydrogen 8. Now oxygen here left hand side, students, 4. And here oxygen right hand side is 4. Now it is balanced. So these are the methods where we have to follow to balance the chemical equation. When you follow the steps, so you will be able to balance the equation. Students, do the practice of the. I will give more and more questions. Any confusion, then ask to me. Thank you, students.